So good. Hey! This is for all you classroom mummies who need to come up with a craft or a treat for your class parties this year. For this one, you're gonna need yummy donuts, some candy googly eyes, and this big bag of fangs. I got these on Amazon and these on Amazon. I'll put the links for you guys in the description box below. You're just gonna take your fangs, fold them in half, and plop them right into your donuts. It's just that easy. This is a fun class treat too because it kind of lets the kids take home a prize. Okay, next you take your candy googly eyes. These are Wilton brand, and again, I just grabbed these off Amazon. You're just gonna place your eyes on. Okay, here's the finished product. Look how cute this is. So cute, right? Okay, this next one's really easy, and one of the reasons I love this is it's a treat, a craft, and it's nut and allergy friendly. The first thing you're gonna need is some applesauce packets, googly eyes, glue dots, and white crepe paper. Okay, my first step is just gonna be to take my crepe paper, add a glue dot, and then just start wrapping my applesauce packet like a mummy. This is something that's so awesome because it can be your craft and your treat at the same time. Super easy for kids to do. Take another glue dot, add the glue dot to my eye, and then just stick my eyes on. Isn't that so easy and cute? This is also something that would be super fun if you're remote learning. You could just do this with your kids at home. So good. Okay, mummies, here's the last class treat. We're going to take these Rice Krispie treats and turn them into monsters. So obviously, our first supply is Rice Krispie treats. You could be an overachiever, or you could be a slacker like me and just grab these already made Rice Krispie treats and open them up. Candy melting chocolates. You can do any color here. Candy googly eyes. And parchment paper. So I laid a piece of parchment paper out and I've opened up my Rice Krispie treat, melted my chocolate so it's ready to dip, and I've got a few eyeballs ready. This is seriously so easy. So you just swirl your Rice Krispie treat around in here, make sure you got lots on there, and plop it right up on the parchment paper. And I kind of press down just a little bit to get the Rice Krispie treat to stick. And it'll kind of start to drip, and if you don't feel like you have enough, you can always add just a little bit more chocolate so it kind of drips down. So like I said, you guys could do any candy color. I like to do a mix of them, so I like to do purple and orange and blue and green. I just like they're all kind of Halloween-y. Once you have the eyeballs on them, they just kind of all look like little monsters. So I like to dip them and then let them sit for just a minute before I put my eyeballs on, but you could do just one eyeball in the middle. This is where I feel like it would be fun to incorporate the kids so they can get creative. Wah, wah, wah. Remember when I said I like to let them sit for a minute to dry before you put your eyeballs on? Clearly this guy didn't dry enough. You just want to make sure you get it before it hardens. Okay, here's the finished product. They are so stinking cute. I made these last year for my son's class party, and all the kids kept telling me, these taste just like the animal crackers with the sprinkles on them. They were right. Whether you're in charge of class treats this year or you're at home remote learning, I hope this sparked some creativity and gave you guys some great ideas for some easy kid treats for Halloween this year.